The world is full of opportunity if you have removable appendages. Need extra antennae to get through a hard day's work? Offers 90 varieties. You're sure to find one compatible with your carbon-based physiology and your unique style. On your way home, you see your sworn murder companion. No antenna for you. You'll want a set of decapitation mandibles, the most powerful mandibles you can buy. Then it's time for a hot night on the town with an attractive partner, partners, or robotic escort. Oh no, those mandibles are going to get in the way. But don't worry, just swap them out for a set of suave tentacles. Perfect for, and even where physically possible and allowed by law. And check out our latest removable appendage, hands. Yes, scours the galaxy for the newest and weirdest appendages, like hands with 4 primary subappendages and 1 oppositional subappendage. I know, crazy, right? It's all part of massive catalog of removable appendages, from the practical to the deeply strange. Try some this solar cycle or lose out to someone who did.